ordinary haircut or treatment here. Benny did
I can actually go through my
beyond
hair now.
an epic job, and it is going to change our daily lives in the sense that after her shower every day, whether she washes her hair or not, I'm not going to have to spend 10 to 15 minutes fighting with her, combing out all the knots.
Yep.
It can literally air dry like this, and the last time I saw her hair this smooth and silky was probably the day she was born. And she does karate and a lot of other activities.
That makes my hair bunchy and
naughty and matted, and this is
the best.
The absolute best. I wouldn't have gone anywhere else, nor would I have trusted anyone else with my daughter's hair. I am so excited that we are just not going to have the nightly arguments and fussing, and I'm not going to have spritzes of wet hair all over my laptop either. That's an added bonus.
Yay.
But as long as she's happy, I'm happy.